Good morning, guys. This is the earliest I've ever woken up. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, we are going with 876 today to do a beach cleanup in Portland. So it should be really fun. I heard that it's in really bad shape, but we're gonna go and clean up all the garbage off of the beach. We just wanted to do our part as volunteers and ambassador of 876 and just help clean up Jamaica. No dirty out Jamaica, guys. To eat real quick because the girl's hungry. A girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. So let's see how I'm gonna wear this mask for the entire day. Oh gosh, but I'm excited, guys. So stay tuned.
And your breast. What is this? Friend legs. Yeah, right? You with all of your hat on crouches. Hold on. Let go the hand. Watch your legs on the bar. You have to go sideways. Go sideways legs. my fellow 876 volunteer ambassadors just killed this section. I have the 4 photos of this. It looks nothing like that. Actually habitable right now. So yeah. So
My back.
these 3 are champions. They woke up from the crack of dawn, this is literally, to come down here and help clean up all the way from Kingston. That is no small feat. I had a hard time waking up at 6:30. So yeah, more power, and they had to switch it up. And Julia had to drive. But yeah, we're not a real warrior. Warrior and a woman.
Oh God.
Yeah.
It's like picking up brain sometimes.
True.
She's breathing, she's happy. Look how happy she is.
guys, before I took a shower, I just wanted to come out real quick to just give you a rundown of what happened today. We picked up 50 bags of garbage. Oh my god, talking about it right now, I just feel like we did so much work today, and the place looked so much better. Like 876 volunteer and Lee's friends, they all pitched in, and we went down there and we got the stuff done. We felt accomplished, and it was a really humbling experience that we could actually do all of that, because when we piled up all the bags in one and counted off and we counted 50, we were just like, wow. I think it was like 27 plastic garbage bags of bottles and 23 garbage. So when we come to the top, we're just like, oh my god, that's all of that came off of the beach. Like, guys, side note, we need to do better as people, because we love to enjoy the beach, and we love to enjoy the sea, and we love to enjoy everything that comes with our little island. But you know, this part is what kind of gets me sad and gets us sad, because we're not able to just take care of it. And this is kind of why people charge fees for maintenance, to take up the garbage and all the other things that people leave around, because we saw a lot of things, and I won't talk about it right now because it's really disheartening. It's really disheartening. And I was just happy that I was a part of it. I was happy that I could help in my own little way, and we did make a dent in the amount of garbage we picked up at the beach. So guys, do your part. We really appreciate when you do your part. We really appreciate when you take the time to just pick up something. It doesn't take anything else of you. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this little video that I did for you guys. So I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna go and take a long, nice hot shower and then go straight to my bed. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Bye.